My dear students, I am Malik Farouk, lecturer Zoology BHSS Langate, and for class 12, we are dealing human health and diseases. So today's topic is one of the most communicable diseases, which is called a pneumonia. Pneumonia is an inflammatory disease of lungs, which with an incubation period of 1 to 3 days, and characterized by the accumulation of mucus fluid in the alveoli and bronchioles so that the breathing becomes difficult. Pneumonia is an inflammatory disease of lungs. यानी इसमें जो फीबड़े हैं इनमें थोड़ा बहुत एक्यूमुलेट ये होते हैं, इन्फ्लेम होते हैं, इनमें बल्जिंग होती है, जिससे इसका इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड 1 to 3 days रहता है एंड इट्स करेक्टेड बाय द एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ म्यूकस. यानी फीबड़ों में या तो म्यूकस या कोई फ्लूइड जमा हो जाता है so that the breathing becomes difficult. It is a several type. Common pneumonia is caused by the gram-positive non-motile pure bacterium called streptococcus or diplococcus pneumonia. Another pathogen is Haemophilus influenza. Depending upon the place of occurrence, the disease of two types: bronchopneumonia, young children, elderly person, and lobular pneumonia, 10 to 15 years of age. They can suffer from it. The disease is transmitted through the droplets, septum, aerosols, use of tissues and handkerchiefs of infected person, sharing glass and utensils. तो इसमें जो symptoms है वो है there is headache, sudden chill, chest pain, cough and with rusty mucoid sputum, rise in temperature and rapid swallowing, shallow breathing, abdominal distension is also common. Lips and finger nails of infected person often become grayish to bluish in color. Useful drugs are erythromycin, tetracycline, sulfonamide. If untreated, pneumonia leads to death. अब primary atypical pneumonia. Is an acute infectious pulmonary disease caused by the mycoplasma pneumonia, rickets, chlamydia, and virus including adenovirus and perennial influenza virus. इसके बाद bacterial dysentery or shigellosis. It is due to bacterium Shigella as flagellary and other species. The disease spreads through contaminated food. Shigellosis is corrected by the frequent passage of stool with mucus and abdominal cramps. Effective antibiotics are available. Oral or intravenous rehydration is required. इसके बाद plague is due to rod-shaped non-motile bacterium called Pasteurella Yersinia pestis. If a primary disease of rats which is spread by the rat flea, the disease kills the rats. Rat flea leaves the dead rats and attack humans. Death of rats is an indication of outbreak of plague. Plague is of also three types: bubonic plague, incubation period of 2 to 6 days. Pathogen multiplies in lymph nodes, especially of armpits and groin, which swells up into painful bulbous. Other symptoms are high fever, chill, delirium, exhaustion, and hemorrhage, which turns black. The patient dies thereafter. Hence, plague is also called black death. It is used to cause large-scale deaths. For example, plague of 1348 killed over 60% of the Europeans. Plague reached in India for first time in 1895 from Hong Kong. इसी तरह से plague it occurred recent in Mamlia village in Breed, Maharashtra in 1993, from where it spread to Surat in Gujarat in pneumatic form. Anti-plague vaccine spray of insects kills of rats, nose caps, and high cost rat flea can jump up to 45 centimeters, and some preventive measures are there. Keep your hygiene, your surroundings clean, and do not go close to the infected person because it's a communicable disease. So thank you for watching these diseases. Our topic was pneumonia and plague, bubonic plague. These were the two communicable diseases caused by the various pathogens, and we are dealing with the human health and disease, and it's different communicable diseases. Thank you for watching.